profits. That's a good one. Saxy decided to get roasted. You're late to entries like it's high. That's funny. But yeah, go ahead and play around with that, y'all. It'll give you a random one. Have some fun with that while you're in the chat. Alrighty, y'all. Like I said, the CPI day, CPI news already dropped. So if you're looking at my screen, the candlesticks are off the screen. We need to adjust that, don't we? Look at this. This is insane, right? That's what happens during news. This is what happens. Okay. Oh. 182 points. I'm curious what gold did because I know gold was dropping around for a while. Yeah. I'm not touching gold today. I already made that decision. We're just going to be on Nasdaq today, y'all. I want you to keep in mind, yesterday we revealed the balance. We are up $3,000 on these 150K accounts. Yes, I have an account in the background copying as well, but only 3 of those are 150Ks. So if we were doing the 50K challenges yesterday, we would have passed the 50Ks again. But we're doing 150K, so we got to go for 9K profit. 3,000 is just not enough. Remember, we are trading with micros. If we were trading with minis, we'd probably be up around 6,000 or 7,000 right now. Just keep that in mind. But we are trading with the micros and practicing proper risk management. And we didn't trade every day. So keep that in mind. We didn't trade every day, and we're using micros, and we're up 3K. And today is day 8. I think I mixed up my days. But according to, I checked the stats when I logged in. And today is day 8. So let me actually log in and show you guys. So that's not bad, y'all. 3K profit in 8 days with the micros, and we didn't trade every day. Let me know what you guys think about that in the chat. Luminous, good morning. Hi, William. Hi, Tweezy. For real, welcome back. Chat, by the way, you know, I do miss chats. Okay, I do miss chats. I rewatched yesterday's stream. There's quite a few chats that I missed. So you may think I see you because I'm going to the next person on you, but sometimes I always miss chats, y'all. Every stream, there's a chat. There's always at least 1 or 2 chats, maybe more, that I miss. So don't take it personal. Okay. Okay, let me show you guys this. I logged in. I'm not going to show you the login information here. Okay. So right here, you can see it says days traded 7. Now, that's as of today because today doesn't count yet. Today's going to count when the market closes. So today is day 8. So we only traded this for 7 days. You can see we're up 3,000 out of the 9,000 profit target. The most we made in a single day was 957. So yeah, of course, we're within the 50% of the consistency rule. The consistency rule would be for us 4,500. So as long as we don't go over 4,500 in a day, we're good. I don't think we have to worry about that. Yeah, you can see here. Proof in the pudding, chat. Proof in the pudding. There's no over leveraging. There's no crazy over trading going on behind the scenes. It's only been 7 days. It's only been micros. Seeing it right here. All right. Anyway, that's our little update. Hi Jose, hi Esther. Hi Rhett, hi Chandra. What's up? P Will, we got ACFX. What's up? What's up? Hi player. Did I get you, Luminous? Hi Susan. Chandra, hey, hey. Good morning, good morning. Appreciate y'all so much. Okay. So yeah, I'm waiting for 9 o'clock. It's 9 o'clock now, but you know I'm really waiting for 9:30. Be honest, we're waiting for the market to open. Let's go ahead and do some analysis. Before we hop into that analysis, I would like to do our daily affirmation, right? Tay DZ, yo, I'm new here. What's up? How's it going? Appreciate you giving the stream a chance. Thanks for clicking on it. Hey, chat. Can we give Tay a grand welcome in the chat? Can we get a W in the chat for Tay? Can we get a W for welcome and a W just for clicking on the stream? Let's show Tay what we're about over here. This is a different type of community, Tay. This is a very welcoming community, a positive community. This is a winning community. This is the vibe community, right? Everybody's welcome here. Everybody's celebrated here. That's how we treat it. That's how we do it. That's how we do it. There we go. There we go. And while you're in the chat, let me get a 111 angel numbers. We're going to start off with a positive daily affirmation. Okay. See what we got for you this morning. Today is August 12th. 111 in the chat. Get that energy flowing this morning. Hey, there we go. There we go. Y'all are quick. Oh my goodness, y'all are quick. Okay, it says, one day you will find all the answers, but for now, focus on enjoying the present, trusting your choices, believing in yourself. You're exactly what you are supposed to be. Beautiful chat. See, a lot of people want to figure out, well, how am I going to do it? How am I going to get there? Every day's the same. How am I going to afford this? How am I ever going to reach this goal? What's going to happen when this happens? Is this right for me? Is this going to work out, right? You're right to have those questions, especially going into entrepreneurship, because it's an unfamiliar space. Think about it, chat. You're human. We're all human. When we try something unfamiliar and new, it's a little uncomfortable because we don't know the result, right? You don't know if you're wasting your time right now. You don't know if you're wasting your, but that quote telling you, don't focus on that. Just focus on enjoying the journey, right? Focus on the learning part. Focus on upgrading yourself. In time, you're going to see those results, right? Because when you put that worry on things, push it away. Push it away. You got to embody that confidence. You don't fully have that confidence. It's okay. It's normal. You have to act like you have it. All right? You act like you got it. And the more you act like you got it, the more you're going to get it. Promise. It will follow. You got to be that person that pushes those doubts out of your head. The only person that can do that is you. Okay? It doesn't matter what anybody says. It matters what you think about yourself. Okay? You are the co-creator of your life. You can create and manifest anything you want. It doesn't matter what someone's opinion is. But what matters is if you let that opinion hold you back. Right? You get me? You get me? All right. Also, yesterday's trading bite I posted trading bite number 20 in the Discord. So if you are new to the stream, you're welcome to join the Discord. All you gotta do is fill out an application. Please fill it out seriously because you will be denied. Access will be denied. Just be serious. Okay? I'm just letting you know, those of you who joke around with it, I can't take you serious. You don't get accepted. All right. But yesterday's trading bite, I want to read it to you. If you're new to this, I do link all the previous numbers at the bottom. You can click and it'll automatically bring you to the previous trading bite. These trading bites are daily educational articles that I type up for you, okay? All right, let's check this one out. The power of patience in day trading. One of the hardest skills in trading isn't reading your charts or mastering indicators, it's waiting. Would you agree, chat? Let me know. Give me a yes or no in the chat if you agree. The hardest thing is to wait. It is. Because when we go over the weekend, you're excited, you get into Monday. What if Monday's choppy? You're so excited for Monday. You were so excited to start those fresh accounts. You're so excited. You're one day away from the payout. You're so excited to trade Monday, but Monday is a crappy trading day. And you decide to hop in because you were just so excited. You just couldn't wait. You have that effect, right? Waiting could be in positive ways. It can be in negative ways. It could be in negative ways of not waiting for your setup. You take all the setups all day that weren't your setup, right? So waiting's not just negative. It could be positive, but it still has that negative result, right? Whether you went into it in a good way of excitement or you went into it in a bad way of not waiting for your setup, either way, it still has a negative result. So what are we learning from this? Learn how to wait. Master the power of leading. Okay, because even if you have a good attitude, it's still blow up your account, right? All right. So it says, why does patient matter? Markets often test your resolve before rewarding you. Price will hover near your entry. It'll tempt you to take small profits or bail out early, but the biggest moves happen after most impatient traders have already exited. The retail rinse is what we call it, right? You see it all the time. Price takes out liquidity. Price does a bunch of fake outs. Boom, there goes the big breakout. After they took a bunch of people out, right? And if you look back, a lot of times you'd be like, dang, if I would have just waited, right? So this is why it's not about so much reading the charts and knowing the direction. After you get over that hump and you get great with your analysis, awesome. You're going to learn the longevity in trading does not so much come from directional bias, but it has to also include your discipline and the confluences you use to enter the trade, right? It's all about the timing. Because you could be right all day on the direction. We don't get paid to be right. Unfortunately, right? It sucks, right? Imagine if every day we woke up, if we could just vote in like a poll, hey, is this going up or down? That'd be cool, right? And you get like a bonus. Hey, brokers, y'all listening? Huh? Bonus? What? Bonus and guessing the direction? Prop firms, hey. Can we get a bonus? Right, chat? Can we get a bonus for guessing the right direction? But anyway, you're not getting paid for that, right? You're getting paid for executing at the right time. Okay. So yesterday was a real example. We're in that trade for 2 hours. 2 hours before we hit profit. There were several times in yesterday's trade where I could have took $200. There were several times where I could have got out at break even. Even an hour into the trade, after being in drawdown, going back to break even, I could have closed it at break even. I could have closed it at $100 in profit. But that setup particularly, I knew it would take a little while. So if I have a setup where I'm like, okay, it's setting up on a higher time frame, it should take a while, then I'm going to give it that time to develop. Now, if I have a setup on a lower time frame and it should be more of a quicker setup, then those are the setups that I tend to be a little bit like, okay, I have like a timer on it in my head, right? So much time passes, I'm like, all right, let me get out of this trade. Get what I'm saying? So it does depend on the setup. What's up, Jumper? Good morning. So how to build patience. Have a clear entry and exit plan before you enter the trade. Avoid watching every single tick. Set alerts for your key levels if you need to. Take a look from the chart. Just set up a alert if you need to. Right? Reduce your position size. When you reduce your sizing and your risk, you will feel a little bit more confident in drawdown, right? So if you're getting anxious and you're getting nervous when you're in a trade, you're risking too much money. Alrighty. All right, chat. That's how we're kicking it off this morning with some psychology. Let's get into this analysis. Tay, I'm just getting into day trading. Still learning the basics. Would love any advice from you or chat. Awesome, Tay. Patience is key. They had a loss because of the news. Sorry to hear that, Ben. So yeah, Tay, you're starting off right. Learn the basics. That's my advice. Learn the basics first. Learn the fundamentals. You can learn that from any basic trading book. I got those books in my Discord. I also have a free market structure course on YouTube. I advise you to check that out. If you can answer all those quiz questions right, you got the majority of the basics down. So yeah, I have quizzes in that course video. It's free, it's on YouTube. You guys can check it out whenever you want to. That'll tell you if you're ready or not. Fundamentals. All right, y'all, taking a look at Nasdaq this morning. I'm gonna have to get up because the air is blowing on me, chat, and I'm kind of cold. I'm actually gonna go get a hoodie. Be right back, chat. So sorry. Give me 10 seconds. Okay. Sorry about that, chat. I couldn't find my hoodie, so I'm like, let me go grab my jacket. Whatever's first. Whatever's first in sight. By the way, we do have 20 minutes till the market opens. So we got plenty of time. We are chilling. Okay. Baby Pips, yeah, babypips.com. Yeah. Yeah, babypips.com, even though it's a Forex course, disregard the Forex pairs, just take the learning process of the candlesticks. That's what you want to learn. How the candlesticks work, right? We'll go through that in a second, though. I'll show you in a second. All right, checking out this daily candle. Price is in a tough spot here because we don't really have much going on, right? We're shuffling around up here. Yesterday's candle closed bearish, but we're just here and we're not really moving anywhere, right? So it's gonna be a little bit of a rangy day. We know we just got some volume in this candle because the news just dropped, CPI news, right? Speaking of, do we have any other news this morning? Double check that. FOMC member speed. Not much to worry about here, news-wise. I will say, just from a 4-hour standpoint, it does look like we created a higher support, right? We're creating these supports. Pull back, go, pull back, go, pull back, go. Yesterday, we talked about price closing above this imbalance area. We spiked above it yesterday, but we did not close above it. So it could be possible that this candle wants to close above it today. I won't be surprised. It'd be a very, very strong possibility. Okay, and we do have 47 minutes before it closes. So I guess we'll see where it closes. That's something I'm going to be looking at today. And I think that's all-time highs, right? Yep. 848, this is all-time highs. So if we continue pushing past here, we're going to be making all-time highs. Yeah, chats, it's not easy to do an analysis when price is ranging. Ranging means we're just up and down, up and down. We're not really moving a particular direction, right? That's what can make this a bit more difficult. But we're gonna grab this imbalance here, take a look at it for the day. See, I'm zoomed in because I want to make sure it's on the candle. See, this is why I zoom in. And I always tell you guys to double check your work. See, this should be right here. Because when you're zoomed out, it looks like it's there, but it's not. You gotta like zoom in and adjust it. And let me put a background on it. There we go. You guys can do that. Perfect. Yeah, looking to see if price continues up like this today. It gives us a closure. We haven't gotten a closure outside. But that can always change, like I said, because we're just hopping around and raging. So that's just one idea. We will see. We'll be open-minded today because we are chopping around, ranging. I'm just slowly moving down in time frames here. It's so choppy. Holy. Don't get me wrong, we closed above here on the 15th. Twice. We haven't really seen that on the 1 hour, the 4 hour. How many accounts can I have a Take Profit Trader? 5 at a time that's active. So if you're copy trading, you can only have 5 that you're copy trading at a time. Okay. I'm just reading the chat there. So yeah, we have about 15 minutes. Anybody else new to day trading? Let me know in the chat. Anybody else new to day trading? Can I give you something free that you can check out that's going to take you very, very far? Let me know in the chat. Open it up for you. Okay, so if you're new to day trading, this is my advice, and this is free. I love free. So babypips.com was originally a Forex course. It's important for you to know that Forex, stocks, futures, they're very similar. The fact that we have candlesticks on our chart, right? So I'm pointing you to this website because it's a beautiful free course and learn how the candlesticks move. So again, I know it says learning trade Forex because this website was made so long ago. If you click on learn Forex and then how to trade Forex, you're gonna go to the School of Pipsology. Now, Pipsology is because when the candlesticks move, right? When this moves, they call it pips instead of points. They say pips if you're new to trading. In futures, they call it ticks when it moves. So I just say points because it's easier for everybody to understand what I'm saying. But I would advise you to go to this website. So I'm going to put this link in the chat. Again, it's free. It's been free for years. It's helped me get my kickstart into day trading, and I'm helping you. You can literally sign in with an email so you can track your progress. So in the beginning, they teach you like what is Forex, what are the pairs, all that good stuff. If you're not going to be trading Forex, you can skip this part. If you're going to be trading futures, you can skip this part. I would start with the kindergarten. This is going to give you the basics. Yeah, they're going to talk about brokers, the 3 different types of analysis. This applies to all types of trading, y'all. All right. I'm sure you guys know it's technical, fundamental, and market sentiment, right? Those are the 3 different types. Yeah, I'm about to start giving y'all pop quizzes. What are the 3 different types of analysis, chat? Go. Technical analysis. Come on, chat. What are the 3? Chat, do y'all know? Come on. What's technical analysis, chat? Technical analysis is what? When we come up on this chart and what? We start reading the candlesticks, we're placing our lines on, we're reading market structure, right? All that is technical analysis. What's the second type? Fundamental. Thank you, Smokey. Fundamental, right? What's fundamental, chat? Fundamental analysis is news, basically news, right? In a summary. Yeah, okay, you guys got it. So yeah, start with the kindergarten course. You're gonna learn the different types of charts, line chart versus candlestick, right? We're using candlesticks, of course. You're gonna be moving on to support and resistance, the Japanese candlesticks, right? This is the most important part, is these candlesticks, learning how to read these candlesticks, okay? And the reason why I like this site, yes, there may be a couple ads on the side like this, but it's short and sweet and it's to the point. It's short, sweet, to the point. They have little drawings here, little jokes, so that it's not like a tough read. Nothing wrong with having a little jokey fun, right? While you're trying to learn something. It takes the edge off on reading so much. They highlight things for you. They have pictures. Again, jokes. That picture was way too much. And in tops. Right, so again. So yeah, you can go through these courses. This is what I recommend anybody getting into this to do. Learn the fundamentals, go through middle school. You can skip summer school. High school, you definitely want to do. So again, you can skip summer school. So if you want to write that down in your notes, you can skip summer school. I would advise you to skip summer school. That's my advice. 100%. That's my advice. Hi, MG. Good morning. Skip summer school. Go into high school. Learn trading divergences, market environment, trading breakouts and fake outs. This is going to be extremely important. Yeah, and that's the majority of it. After that, you're going to have a great foundation. Okay? Free course. Everything you need. Everything you need. Did I miss anything, chat? Oh, they also have quizzes. So after you take that, you want to hover your mouse under Learn, and you can click on Trading Quizzes. You can take quizzes. Now, chat, we do have 9 minutes until the market opens. So we can take a fun quiz for fun. Currency nicknames are if you're trading Forex, the currencies. Let's see. Let's give chat a quiz. Let's see how good you are, chat. We're going to go with majority rules on these questions. What should we do with chat? Support and resistance levels? Important chart patterns? High perception, good morning. You didn't know there was a third? That's funny. High star. Chat, you want to do chart patterns? Put CP in the chat if you want to do chart patterns. We got 8 minutes. Or do you want to do support and resistance? SR. So SR for support and resistance, or CP for chart patterns? Support and resistance or chart patterns in the chat. Oh, I see 3 chart patterns. Okay. That was quick. I think there's more CPs. Okay, chart patterns. All right, we got 7 minutes. Here we go. Here we go. You guys got to be on it. Was that head and shoulders body wash? Okay, chat. Whenever price breaks out to the upside in a bullish rectangle, the move up is usually... Okay, whenever price breaks out of the upside of the bullish rectangle, 1/2 the size of the rectangle. So this is a breakout question, chat. So let's say we're ranging, we put price in a rectangle, and it breaks out bullish. Is it going to break out 1/2 the size of the rectangle? About the same size of the rectangle? Twice the size of the rectangle? Ooh, breakout knowledge here, chat. This is good. This is good education here. Those are going to break out 1/2 the size of the rectangle, about the same size of the rectangle. Or is it going to go about twice the size? See what you guys say. It's a great question. You can take an educated guess. A few times. Okay, I'm seeing 2. I'm seeing 2s. Twice the size. Incorrect, chat. Ooh, it's incorrect. It's incorrect. Incorrect. Okay, let's see. The chart pattern is very similar to the rectangle. It usually, okay, this chart pattern, sorry. This chart pattern is very similar to the rectangle. It usually occurs when sellers or buyers pause to gather enough energy to take the price back into the same direction. That shape that price forms after the downtrend or uptrend is a small triangle. What do we call these? Do we call them octagons, a wedge, or a pennant? Octagon, wedge, or pennant? I'll be honest with you. When I was learning trading, in my opinion, the wedges and the pennants, I'm like, can we just use one word? You know, can we just use one word? Reread? There's a reread. Okay. This chart pattern is similar to the rectangle. Usually occurs when sellers and buyers pause together to gather through enough energy to take price back in the same direction. AKA a continuation. It's a continuation. Okay, that's your little hint. This shape forms after the downtrend or uptrend is in a small triangle, but it's a continuation. You guys are saying wedge? You guys are saying wedge. We're gonna go with the chat. Come on, chat. I talk about these all the time on stream. There's no way, chat. What are we learning, chat? What are we learning while we're on stream, chat? We need to have a talk, okay? Especially on the first question. The first question, I'm very surprised. Especially if you're a member. There's no way you got the first question wrong. Now, the second question, I talk about this on stream. What are y'all doing while we're in class, chat? What are y'all doing? Y'all eating food? Y'all talking to people? What are y'all doing? Y'all distracted? Y'all on your phones right now during streaming? What's going on? We gotta have an intervention here. Yeah, it was pennant. It was pennant. Pennant. Okay, next question. We got 3 minutes. What do you call chart patterns that signal the ongoing trend will likely resume? Oh my God, I just gave you the answer to this. If you listened to me in the last question, I literally said this when we were talking about the last question. What do you call chart patterns that signal that an ongoing trend will likely resume? All right, so we're trending one way, it pauses, and then we what? It trends the same way again. Continuation. Hey, we got one. You guys got one. Okay. Redeeming yourselves now, chat. Okay, last one, because the market's going to open. We're going to put a pause in this. What does bilateral mean when talking about chart patterns? Bilateral. It means that there's no bias as where price is headed. The breakout can be either up or down. It means that all chart patterns are equal. It means there are two versions, a bearish and a bullish one. So you could just put 1, 2, or 3 in the chat for the options. Bilateral. Does bilateral mean there's no bias to the breakout? It could go up or down. Does bilateral mean all chart patterns are equal? Or does bilateral mean there's two versions, a bearish and a bullish one? 1, 2, or 3 in the chat. Which option? What's up, Ian? 1, 2, or 3 in the chat. Uh-oh, I'm seeing 1 and 3 a bit equally here. See who's gonna break that tie. Let's see, we need some more answers here. We need some more. Oh, okay, looks like you guys are going with 3. Come on, chat, it was the first answer, chat. It was 1. If you said 1, you're right. If you said 1, you're right. All right. So what are we learning from this, chat? We got 18 seconds for the market to open. What are we learning from this right now? You guys got to go back and learn the fundamentals. Did you take the time to learn the fundamentals? Got to go back. Okay. I'm glad we did this. I'm very glad we did this. If you don't know the fundamentals in something, how are you going to do something successfully? How are you going to master something successfully, right? You need the fundamentals, okay? So this is all learning, chat. It's okay to get it wrong, but this is a learning. This is why we do this, right? Because if you can get the fundamentals, and you can go extremely far. Okay. There we go. This is the market open. Time to focus now. I think we're gonna do some quizzes some more on stream because I want to see you guys progress here. Okay, I might turn my mic down a bit. Is the music okay? Or let me know in the chat if the music's okay. Hi, Melissa. Good morning. Oh, JT's here. What's up, JT? Okay, we got a top wicket there. This is the market opening, y'all. Nice and calm this morning. Gonna take our time. Let's see if we can get win number 8 today in a row. We are 7 for 7 this month. 100% win rate this month. So far, doing pretty well. The fact that we hit 7 out of 7 means we're on track to hit 70% win rate or higher, which means if we lose the next 3 trades, we're within our 70%, which is where I would want to be, there or higher, right? So that's a great feeling. Let's keep going. Well, being as accurate as possible, you know, the goal. Cortez, good morning. What's up, Bonnie? Good morning to you. Hi, Lewis. Good morning. Appreciate you, Jumper. Institutional bullish Batman. Bullish Batman? The Batman pattern? Y'all are killing me. The Batman pattern. Alrighty, we took out these lows and now we're pushing up. That would make me think we're bullish. Let's stop on these lows. For 53 points. TP1's got to be the top of this inbound. And then we'll look ultimately at this weekly level up here. Should have a TP2 though. Yeah, one. I told you guys I was bullish this morning. This is setting up pretty nicely here. Boom! TP1 was smacked so quickly. Oh shit. Barely had time to even get the notification. There goes the delayed notification. There it goes. There it goes. That's beautiful. We can go up and hit TP2. Would be even better. 40. I'm gonna stops to break even here. Just risk free. So we are above that 4-hour imbalance we talked about yesterday. We talked about it yesterday, but we talked about it this morning. This 4-hour candle closes at the time 40 minutes. Now it closes in 20 minutes. And we talked about this needing to close above this area, at least on the 1 hour or on the 4 hour. Both are on track to do so. Got a nice bottom wick on the new hourly candle. Close that there. I can get back into this to be a little extra here today. Remember, we do have a lot of ranges going on, so maybe a little testy like it was yesterday. Quite the retracement. That was a 37-point retracement in a 1-minute candle. Almost 40 points in a 1-minute candle. We'll see. We got a little pushing on the day now. We can get pushing. Right, chat. I like that. Could be building this support right here on 768. A very, very strong level on a higher time frame. A great area to have a support built here. For us to hold the support, we do have a minor daily level here at 804. We're in the 90s right now, so it does look like we're headed to 800. TP1 is at 819, right below 820. Looking for this 1-hour candle to close above this here. 1-hour candle closes in about 20 minutes. I'm out of this trade. I would just at least like TP1 at minimum. Minimum. Am I gonna eat breakfast? Yeah, I usually eat breakfast after stream. But today is gym day, so after stream I'm going to the gym, then after I shower. So today's gonna be quite the journey before I get some. But that's okay though. We gotta stick to it, right? They posting today's trade. Oh, you're telling Lewis posting today's trade. I see Esther posted a trade. Check it out. Thanks for sharing this, Esther. That I took a sell on gold. It didn't break today's Asian highs. It's a 5-minute time frame. I hope this TP hits before the news today. Oh, and then she said TP hit after 4 hours. Nice, nice. Struggle Bus Chronicles. We got a beautiful bottom wick here on the 5-minute time frame. Looking for price to give us a here. We got struggle bus going on here. We're at 97, very, very close to 800. 800 is going to be a tough level to beat because that is where a lot of selling pressure was sitting previously. We did tap 800, but like I said, it's going to be tough for price to push through it. Where a lot of people are going to be having those sells pending. See if we can get a nice breakthrough 800 and have a nice break up here. Got about 18 minutes for this hourly candle to close. Wasn't really looking to be in this in the next hourly candle. Looking to be in this candle. Testy, 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 tested the entry again. Let's see if we can get a break now through 800. It'd be nice. There we go. There goes the break through 800. We're at 801. Let's see if we can get a nice push now. Like I said, as soon as we can break through, we closed above 800. That is beautiful there. We may get the push. Let's see if they can continue. Let's see. Pump it up, pump it up. There you go. Pump it up, pump it up. There we go. I'm going to move stops to break even here. A very critical point. I just at least want TP1 out of this, at least a 1-to-1. Be nice. Let's make this a risk-free setup since we got back into it. I think we only made $100 the first time. But we'll check that out after we close this. Oh, we don't have to wait till after we close it. We can check it out. 45. Oh, 45. It must have been on delay. Okay, we made 45. Okay, break even, break even, break even. They are chopping this. Oh. They are chopping this up. Oh, that was the perfect time to break even. I got a brand new 15-minute candle here. Just waiting. Just gonna wait now. What just happened? Any news? No, the news was at 8:30 New York time this morning. Just did 1,700 in gold buys. Nice. Imran, good morning to you. That reverse happened out of nowhere. It's up in ES. Nah, remember I said 800 pending sales sitting there. That's gonna be a spot. There's gonna be some heavy selling coming in. Was down 1 risk. Now I'm up 2 risk. Hey, beautiful. Nice, nice. At gold, I looked at it in the morning. Wasn't really a fan of the chop. This is gold on the hourly time frame. Holy chop. I was like, yeah. Today. That Nasdaq didn't chop either, but oh, look at that top wick there. Just can't hold anything up. Over here we did it. Over here we did it. Can't hold it in the neck. Trump's posting on Truth Social. Wait, what's Truth? Wait, what is that? Is that a new thing? Is that like a new website? Wait, is that a new website? By the way, everybody, remember Take Profit Trader did extend that sale. The sale has extended to Sunday. Basically 100% off. Yeah, I know you got to put the money up front, but once you pass and you get to your first payment, you're getting all the money back. So the whole thing was free. Free, free, free. We got a new 4-hour candle coming into play in about 9 minutes. Let's have a little fun here. Let's finish this quiz we were doing. Oh no, I don't have the quiz anymore. Oh. Well. I'm gonna give you guys a different quiz then. All right, chat, we're going to do 3 types of analysis quizzes. Y'all got to redeem yourselves now. Because I don't know what happened. Getting scary out here, y'all. Y'all scaring me. I don't know. True Social been around for a minute. It's what Trump releases a bunch of statements on. Oh, I didn't even know that. Okay, let's see here. 3 types of analysis quiz chat. What are the 3 different type of main analysis? We just talked about this morning. Put 1, 2, or 3 in the chat. 1 for fundamental technical sentiment. 2 for statistical, technical, mechanical. 3 for fundamental, quantitative, qualitative. 1 for fundamental technical sentiment. 2 statistical, technical, mechanical. 3 fundamental, quantitative, qualitative. What are the 3 main types of analysis? Please redeem yourselves, chat. Please act like you guys pay attention to the stream. Please. Make us look good, chat. Make us look good. Come on. All right, you guys said 1. You guys said 1. Hey, all right. All right, there we go. There we go, there we go. Let's do another one. We got 7 minutes till the candle closes here. Which type of analysis looks at historical price movements to determine the current trading conditions and potential price movement? Oh my goodness, I talked about this morning. I gave you this one. Number 1, technical analysis. 2, fundamental analysis. 3, sentimental analysis. No pressure, but you guys better not get this one. No pressure. I ain't saying, but I'm just saying. What type of analysis looks at historical price movements to determine the current? Again, if you don't know these, you go back and study. You know these. If you're going to be a master at something, you should know these. Ask an NBA player, what's a rebound? What's a crossover? They should know this. Fundamentals. Okay, I've seen a bunch of ones. All right, there we go, there we go. Okay. All right, question number 3. Which type of analysis looks at economic, social, and political forces that affect supply and demand of assets? Economic, social, and political forces. 1, fundamental. 2, technical. 3, sentimental. Now, if you guys get this one wrong, you guys get a pass. Okay, if you guys get this wrong, you get a pass. Give you guys a pass on this one. I'm seeing 1s in the chat. Is that the final answer? 1s? Fundamentals, hey! 3 for 3, oh, 3 for 3, all right. All right, there's only 7 questions here. Let's see if we can get 100%. If you wanted to buy the euro because Germany's economy is booming, which type of analysis are you doing? Are you doing a fundamental analysis, a technical analysis, or a sentiment analysis? So your reason for buying is because Germany's economy is booming. That's your reasoning. So what type of analysis is that? Is that a fundamental, technical, sentiment? 2 or 3? You know, I'm seeing more 3s. I'm seeing more 3s. All right. Sentiment. Incorrect. Chat. That would be a fundamental buy, chat. So remember, fundamental is not just news announcement, but it's social, right? You guys just answered that last question. Social stuff. So that's social. Like, hey, the economy's booming. That's okay. That's all right. You guys get a pass on that one. You guys get a pass. Okay. Question number 5. When a trader believes that price will go up, he is feeling what? Number 1, bullish. Number 2, bearish. Number 3, piggish. No pressure, chat, but you better not get this wrong. Who's paying attention when we're on stream? This is going to tell a lot. A trader believes price will go up. Are they bullish, bearish, or piggish? Now, if you're new, I don't expect you to know this, of course. But if you've been here, you have no excuses. Okay, I'm seeing ones. There we go. There we go. Bullish. All right. All right, all right. All right, we can do a chat. We got 2 more, and the quiz is over. The market reflects all available market information because all traders have access to the same pieces of data. Sometimes false or true. The market reflects all available market information because all traders have access to the same pieces of data. Sometimes false, true. 1 in the chat for sometimes, 2 in the chat for false, 3 in the chat for true. Eilish. Feeling Billie Eilish. That's funny. Terrence, you're funny. No pressure, but y'all. Is that what I sound like, Terrence? This one is tricky because there are certain pieces of data that traders can have that traders can't have. So this one's a little tricky. So if you guys get this one wrong, you get a pass. You get a pass. You guys get a pass. What are we saying? 3? Incorrect. Okay, so that means it had to be 1. Market represents what all traders do and feel about the market. Each trader's thoughts and opinions are expressed in the position they take. That was a tough one. I mean, yeah, obviously we don't know what other traders are thinking, but that's not how they worded the question, is it, chat? It set us up to fail on that one. Okay, last question. Support and resistance levels are associated with what type of analysis? Chat, you listen, no pressure, but you better not get this one wrong, chat. No pressure at all, okay? No pressure. But there's no way on this planet of Earth, there's no way in this universe. Again, if you're a beginner, I'm not talking to beginners. Support and resistance is a part of technical analysis, fundamental analysis, or sentimental analysis. Okay, ones. All right, there we go. Quiz is complete. Great job, y'all. Okay, you're not too long. Maybe 2 passes. That's good. You guys got a 71. That's not bad. That's not bad at all. Okay. How can you improve? For question number, so see how it tells you how can you improve? Okay. You scored better than 21% of all quiz takers. Cool. All right, y'all. We'll ring check that in a second. We got a 4-hour closure. We got a brand new 4-hour candle. Crazy. This is a little crazy. We'll be watching though. I'm gonna be in watch mode for a little bit here. I'm not really liking the way the market is setting up today. It threw me through a little loop today on Nasdaq, but that's okay. That's okay. We're gonna maintain our patience. We're gonna maintain that discipline, process over profits as always. And We'll see what happens. I'm gonna go feed the doggos. Give me 30 seconds. I'll be right back. 30 seconds. Okay. I'm back. Whoa, the music stopped too? Jeez. Messed up, huh? Diabolical. I left you on silence. Yeah, guess what? I went to the bakery yesterday. I went grocery shopping, but I bought some fresh cinnamon rolls. See that? They look good. I already took a small bite out of it. It's so good. Oh my goodness. Am I making you guys hungry? Didn't meet coffee this morning. Man, I need the coffee. I like getting back up though. We need 16 million likes. You're so funny. I had a 1 to 4 over in 10 seconds limit. We're not playing around anymore. Not bad. That's filling in my house. Oh, I'm saying not bad based on y'all's performance on the first quiz, because the first quiz was a complete fail. But if we can go from complete fail to a 70%, then we're moving all the way up. That means we got 100% pending. Okay, let's see. It's good to do quizzes, chat, because it's good to grasp your knowledge to see where you're at. And sometimes it's not so much stuff you don't know. Sometimes you need a refresher. Always good to have a refresher. The mentals. Okay, and it's next 4-hour candle. We got a bottom wick and we're moving on up here. I do like the idea that we could be filling out this wick. Really like the idea of that. Gotta be patient here. Going to be patient. All right, we're above 688, which is a good sign. Continue. Let's see if we can get a retracement on price. Or wait for the 15-minute to close. Either or. Retracement, 15-minute candle close. That's about 8 minutes. Gonna take our time. Today the market moves crazy. Thank you, Samson. Have a great day, Samson. There was an anchored VWAP, go daily pivot point. Bounce. Also off. Daily pivot point. I'd actually like to anchor the news candle. 30. Interesting. This is what I mean by price, y'all. They want to come up and create a top wick and then bring it up on the next one. Super annoying. They do stuff like that. Be in the right direction, you could have the right execution when they want to do stuff. This is what makes trading difficult. Not so much just learning direction, but once you do, they feel like making a 4-hour top wick like that, then they will, you know what I mean? Yeah, I have a line here, like I said, at 688. I am watching, but I am. Right. Reach over to my dog. Okay. Alrighty. Let's see here. 19 minutes on the 30. 4 minutes on the 15. It's looking like possibly waiting for the 15 more thing. Got this, y'all. 4 minutes. We can do it. 4 minutes. We can do it. Then you're gonna start back trading the Dow? No, because then if I do, I'm not gonna be concentrated on NAS. It's gonna be too much back and forth. Too much back and forth. A lot easier to focus on one or two. Still got gold. Let's play a quick 1 minute game while we're waiting here. Candle's about to close, just waiting. Wasting a little time. Checking 10. Oh shit. Oh, oh, what was that? Primos, Primos. Oh my God, bro, with 4 seconds on the clock. With 4 seconds on the clock. The song always gets you in your feels. Yeah, that was a good game, right? That was such a good game. That was tough. That was good. That was a good opponent. Oh my goodness. Shaking chat. That was the time was going down, man. The time was winding down. Holy. That was good. Okay. Let's get back here. I was waiting for this candle to close. We got 43 seconds for it to close. You like that one, Rhett? ES faked me out on a reversal right after 9:50, and then I had the actual reversal a few minutes later. Oh no, I'm sorry, Ian. Hey chat, let me know in the chat. How's your trading going today, chat? How is it going? Let me know. How's it going? Give us some stories. Talk about it. All right, we got a brand new candle now. 5 minutes. All right, on the 15 minutes. Sorry, we were waiting for that closure. My only issue with entering here is determining stop loss. Maybe below here for 68. Smaller risk on it though. Smaller risk on it. Too smaller risk. Let's see though. Pull back. Pull back too far. We do smaller risk. It would be nice if it pulled back a little, but we'll see. We'll see. I did ask you in the chat how your trading day was going. I'm gonna read it in a second. Determining if I want to get in here with a big stop loss. Seems like it's kind of out of here. I feel like we deserve a pullback, chat. We deserve a pullback. We deserve it. All right, we deserve it. Okay, let's see. Let's go ahead and read the chat. Let's see. Red day, 2 L's, but not devastating. I was close. Okay. Was up before the crash. Now break even. Hey, Javon. Break even is still a win. Studying a lesson tomorrow. Good. I would not take Nash trade until official higher low breaks the range. 5 minute also had a failure to close below London open range. Getting 2K buffer. Hey, that's what I want. Retrace back down a little bit. There we go. Retrace it back down just a little bit. Sometimes we may get what we want, chat. Holding it out here. Holding it out. By the way, we just smacked 111 on the like. So whoever just clicked the like button, super good luck to you. Super good luck to everyone who's here right now. That's awesome. Thank you, y'all. Thank you. Doing well today. Nice. 1 red, 1 break even. Nothing to brag about, but I'm pleased with my decision so far. No, that's great. That's great. Great to be pleased about your decision. Just looking at this. This 3-minute candle may flip up. Flip. Go 1. Zero. After that, we do have a minor daily level here at 804. Really look out for. So ultimately, we do have a very nice clean level up here for 100 points on the dot at 848. Going in for buys again for third time. Third time's the charm, right, chat? Third time's the charm. Let's see if we can do it. We're surviving today. We're surviving. We got a small, tiny, teeny, tiny W. A break even. So keep it up. Keep it up. We got about 8 minutes for this 15-minute candle to close, which is the 30-minute candle closure. So it's got quite some time on it to take a nice little launch up here. Got some good time on it. So it could take its time here for a little bit. Hi, Wizzy. Good morning to you, Wizzy. I see you. Yeah, question for you. I saw this question. I'm scrolling through on X or Twitter, you can say. And people are arguing over how they wash their towels. Do you wash your towels with your clothes, or do you wash your towels separately with themselves? Like just towels only with towels? Or do you wash your towels with your clothes? I don't know why people are arguing about this on Twitter, but I found it kind of funny. So let me know what you do in the chat. What's your personal opinion? How do you do it? Let me know. Do you wash your towels with clothes? Let's see. Let me see something. I mean, it may depend on the way somebody was raised, you know? Maybe different cultures do it a different way. I don't know. Now, the way I was raised, we do it separate. We do it all the way separate. Okay? Like, towels go with towels. Dark clothes go with dark clothes. Whites go with whites. Right? Separate. Separate's the only answer. Terrence and Dave said together. Y'all bougie. Okay, Terrence, tell me, why do you do them together? I'm curious. Not reds go with reds. Y'all got that many red clothes? Reds go with reds, bro. I never heard that in my life. What? That's a laundry quote? I heard whites go with whites. You know, you pull all your white clothes together because you gotta bleach them. But I never heard reds go with reds, ever. That's crazy. I only got one, I think one red t-shirt. I got a red Nike t-shirt. I got a Ralph Lauren sweater that's red. I got a polo sweater that's red. Other than that, those are the only two red things I got. I literally don't like wear red. That's funny. Reds with reds is just so crazy to me. Insane. QE, I'm glad everyone's washing their towels. I'm dead. I'm dead. Don't take me back to Emily and Agent's stream from earlier this week, or no, last week on stream when she grabbed one towel and he was like, "We need a few towels," and he's like, "You don't, you use the same towel all week, and without washing them, you use the same towel for 2 weeks straight? What? 2 weeks straight is crazy. Not unless you gotta survive. But 2 weeks straight with the same towel? Questionable. Again, unless it's survival mode. But you can't be rich like her. She's a millionaire. You can't be a millionaire talking about one towel for 2 weeks. You could afford more towels and you could afford to wash. So you ain't got no damn excuse. There's no way. And maybe some streamers gotta stop doing IRL because it's exposing their habits when they go grocery shopping. Was raised to separate, but don't waste. Red clothing can sometimes turn the water red. Messes up your clothes when the towel fibers get all over them. Yeah. The only time I washed towels with clothes is like my bathing suit. Like, child, let's say I go in the pool today. Let's say I go in my pool. If I wash my, like, sometimes I bring the t-shirt too, so I'll wash everything. Socks, t-shirt, bathing suit, and I'll wash the towel, the swim towel, if that makes sense. Do y'all do that? That's the only time I've washed towel with clothes. Bathing suit towel. You know what I mean, chap? You know how everybody goes swimming? So everybody's swimsuits in towels. Y'all do that? No, if y'all do that. When towels smell funky, something ain't right. I'm about to move into a new crib. Hey, let's go, Lewis. That's always exciting. I'm happy for you. New space, new environment. Fresh starts like that are really great. Great. Yeah. I forgot we're in the trade. I just looked at my screen like, wait a minute. I'm over here eating and talking to y'all. We're not even talking about the markets, but I forgot we're in this trade. We're having a coffee chat right now. Oh, Lewis might start streaming. Let's go. Let's go. Awesome. Just passed my first ever eval today. Started trading last month. Really excited for what's to come. Thanks for the great content every day. Hey, DK, man. W in the chat for DK, man, y'all. Can we get a W in the chat? That's awesome. Guys, I don't think Lewis is gonna stream trading, guys. I know Lewis does. Lewis is funny. Lewis does other content. I think Lewis is talking about his other content. You guys don't know. Lewis is really funny. I don't think he's talking about streaming trading content. Hi, Steven. Good morning. All right, let's see here. We are in a funky chopped mess here. Oh, it's a new 15-minute candle. Brand new 15-minute candle. Brand new 30-minute candle as well. Looks like we formed a bottom wick. Things are getting quite choppy here. Quite choppy. Yeah, let me go rinse real quick. Got the cinnamon roll. All right, much better now. Okay. Okay. Oh, what's going on here, Nasdaq? We don't like this. We don't like this chop. Get us out of this chop, please. What's up, Keith? This chat is dope. Helps you become more patient as a trader. Thank you so much, Keith. I appreciate you. That bottom sick in the new 15-minute is beautiful. Now take it off. Well, it's definitely it's sweet time here. So we're gonna do chat. We're gonna kick it off with a little bit of chess. We'll keep it on 15-minute here. Let's do a little bit more chess. Waste some time. How about that? How about that? What I thought. That's what I thought. Checking 10. Can't move it. Can't move it. You gotta take it. You gotta take it. You gotta take it. I didn't plan this one out, chat. I didn't plan this one out. What? We got him with the timer, baby. We got him with the timer. We got him with the timer. Why is the market slow today? Well, the market's kind of in a state where we don't know what's going on. It's been in that state for a while. So as I told y'all earlier on this year, them manipulating it to go up when this economy is trash right now is, you know, it may confuse, probably will confuse newer traders. Yeah. Well, what was up with that check? What was up with that check? Cancel it. Support that on there. Check. Come back. Okay. Okay. Just couldn't get it. Just couldn't get it. I don't know what happened. I don't know what happened. Speed run. Oh no, I didn't mean to put that there. I meant to put it here. I meant to put it here. Holy, what I just do? What did I just do? Oh my goodness, I'm just messing all the way up here. I don't even know. I already messed up. That was the worst game I've ever played in my life. It's your turn. It's your turn. One on time. Okay. See that. Checkmate. Checkmate. All right, let's check back on this trade here. 15-minute candle is still dojiing up, huh? What the heck? We played chess that long to come back to the same crap? Doesn't seem too promising, chat. Not liking this. I don't like this. Move stops to break even here. Like this. What is this? Break even it is. Break even is. Wait for something now. This range. The crazy range, right? Is it me? A little crazy. It's just got off of work. What's up, Marco? We're having a great stream today. See you, Ian. Time for you to go left. Let's go. Go to the gym. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. I guess that was my energy right there, that Cinnabon, but after the gym today, I can get my protein shake and give it a go. I'm cool with the break even on this, y'all. This thing just started chopping around like crazy. Fan of this chop. Don't like it. Don't want to be in it. Remember, risk management is key. I know we want to make big profits today. I know we want to keep on going with this streak and all that. You know, managing your emotions, managing that discipline is essentially what's going to get you there. Okay, we gotta maintain that discipline at all times, and be in setups that we want to be in. I don't like this chop. I don't want to be in this chop. Not really doing that for me. You know what I mean? So we wait. We wait as patiently as possible. Play some games. Have a little chat. Waste a little bit of time. And see what the market's got next for us to get into, right? That's all. No biggie. One-hour candle does close in about 13 minutes, so I'm gonna let that 1-hour candle close before I take any more steps into entering anything. Let's get an update on today's P&L. Didn't really do much today. Break-even day for us. All the setups we've been taking pretty much been break-even. We could have closed out the first trade at 300, but we didn't. But we're up $42. 3 trades today, as you saw. $42. Again, we could have closed the first trade for 300 profit, but we didn't. Holding it. Just been a break-even day here, so it's all good. On days like today, you would prefer a break-even day than a red day, right? So it's not the worst of the worst. It's better than red. So she struggled with the most? That's not easy. Not easy, right? Not easy, but we keep it simple. Keeping it simple will make it easier on you. Goal is to maintain consistency, become a better trader every day, be able to consistently withdraw that money, right? Consistently get to the payouts, whether it's with a prop firm or with your personal account, consistently do that. Even on your personal account, you have to consistently trade. Because if you're losing money, you're gonna lose your leverage, right? See here? All this chop, and here we go with the bottom wick. Oh my goodness, it's so annoying. The market is so annoying. Come on, you gonna do that to us? I know you're not gonna do that to us. That is so tough. So tough. I can't even. Oh, what do we do here, chat? What do we do? We sit, we wait. I may play a chess tournament because it looks like we may be sitting in this chop for quite some time, unfortunately. I'll stay on till like 9 o'clock my time. So we have over an hour. Over an hour to see what this does for us. But after about another hour and a half, we'll decide whether we want to call it a day or not, okay? That's quite some time from now. Thank you, Chase. I appreciate you, Chase. See you there in the chat. Bottom wick is bloody. Bloody, man. We gotta speak like we're in Game of Thrones. Bloody hell on this bottom wick, chat. Bloody hell. Bottom wick is crazy. Alright, let's see what we got. See if there's any tournaments. Oh, I'm serious, chat. We're gonna play a tournament to waste some time. Not dealing with this chop. 10-second arena is crazy. 10 seconds? 10 seconds. Okay, 10-second arena. How you got 1,200 points? What the hell? 1,200 points? He's cheating. Okay, I don't want to read the chat. Okay. What are we going for? Top 30? We need 113 points. Okay, let's just play. 10 seconds. Oh, it's fast. It's fast. What? No, I'm not about to be losing all these games on time. Hold on. 10 seconds is too fast. Oh, it's happening. It's happening. Whoa. Oh my god, I won. That's insanity. What's up, A7? Oh, we got this. 2 seconds. 2 seconds. Let's go. Oh, we're racking up these points. We're racking them up. We're racking it. The hell was that? the? Yo, wait, I lost? What? What the? They just crash out on the queen? Mate, no! Wait, no! What? Hi, Benson. Alright, I got cheated. I got cheated. There's no way I lost. What? Crash out. What a crash out. Crashing out is crazy. The queen crash out is crazy. Whoa, what the? Oh, hell no. Hell no. What was that? What? Yo, I'm gonna crash out playing this damn game. The hell did I lose? How did I lose? The hell was that? What was that? Okay, we won something. We won something. What? That was stupid. All that to lose time. No way, bro. They're just moving their freaking pawns. Checking 10. Checking 10. Yeah. Yeah. You want to troll? I could troll too. I could troll too. What the? What a crash out. Crash out nation. Holy, holy, holy. Oh my goodness. These games are so quick. Thank you. What? I got the queen. We got the queen. What the? Yeah, since you want to troll. That's why you lost. That's why you lost. Alright, chat, we're about to take a look at the market in a second. Who created this damn arena? Who created it? And how do you have 1,200 points? We got 13 points from playing that long. All right, let's take a stop back into the markets here. Okay. I feel like I used too much brain power doing that. All right, we're continuing back up. What we wanted to see price do to continue up. May take a shot on this. In 50 seconds because it's gonna close. Perfect timing. Play one more game. We got 50 seconds. I'm just scratching out purposely now. Out purposely. All right, let's see. Hourly candle closed bullish. I like the idea of this. Try number 4 on the break-even day. Try number 4. Will try number 4 to work. Stay tuned to find out. One-to-one is at 82. If you remember, if you're here earlier in the morning, we were targeting 819. So it's only 2 points above the original target today. Again, we were targeting 819 this morning. Break-even day. Going for this one-to-one. If we get further, I'll look up here for 848. Nice stop loss on this one. And remember, this is the fresh start of the new 30-minute candles. Got some good volume in it so far. See if we get cranking up. Let's see how we waste a little time. Back to work. Waste a little time, back to work. Market moves unconsciously. Not trading. Let me know who's still here in the chat. If you're still here, let me know in the chat. Are you still here? If you didn't give the stream a like already, don't forget to give it a like. Would appreciate it so much. Let me know if you're still here in the chat. Who is still here? We're in profit right now. Fourth try. Been a break-even day. Could have been up 300 today, but we're trying to hold earlier. But let's see. We're getting another try. Let's see how this goes. Oh shit! Oh shit! Oh shit! Present. I love that player. Present. To take that off of there. Almost put a pending order on by accident. Look at that. Wizzy's here, Tony's here, Tweezy's here, Bonnie, Mr. Deerian, we got MG in the house, Miss Maui, we got Chase, we got Chandra, we got Melissa, Quasabear, Heroic, R Brooks. Yeah, I'm gonna go on the I meant to go on the Discord. We didn't go on Discord yesterday. We're gonna go on Discord today. So if you want to chat, everybody's free to join the chat. Join the live stream chat on Discord. If you want to chat. I look like a pilot again. Pilot in these markets, chat. We pilot in these markets. This is what happens when you actually watch an actual full-time day trader. You see what happens when you watch a full-time day trader? See, the fake people that you watch could never do this live. It could never do this live. Put a gun to their head right now and say, hey, you gotta trade live one time in front of your audience that you sell millions and millions and you make millions and millions of dollars from. You wanna show broker statements from the audience that gives you millions and millions of dollars. You wanna show broker statements. Well, no shit, you can put 50K, 100K in an account if you make millions of dollars. No shit, you took a big ass trade because your audience gives you that money right back the next week. No shit, you did that. Get your ass up here and do it live. Do it live. If you do it live. Right, chat? If you really do it live. Turn on the camera. Turn on the mic. Don't record it. Click live. If you actually do this. They can't do that, chat. We asked for the bare minimum. We can't even get the bare minimum. We get broker statements. What is broker statements going to show? Bro, if I gave anybody in this chat $1 million, they can all put 100K in an account and take a nice big trade. What's a broker statement going to do? Come live. Turn on the camera. Let's go. Let's talk in real time. Live. Okay, chat, but no, seriously, chat. I'm in the live trading lounge if you guys want to come chat with me. Just trolling, I'm just trolling. In the live trading lounge. Oh, wait, is my headphones connected? Headphones, oh no, they are connected. What's up, Teddy? Hey, Lynn, do you still trade like this once on a pro account since you have intraday trailing? So the pro accounts aren't my primary account. My account's my primary account. So it depends. I don't always trade those accounts every day. I do have one account copying in the background here because I'm only doing 350K. So you see the fourth account is a different account. But yeah, I take like one. I'll have like a target goal, really. I don't so much base it off of one trade a day. I have a target goal. If I can hit that target minimum, then I'm good for the day. Because these are just secondary accounts, you know? Prop firm accounts are secondary accounts. Your main account is your primary account. You know? So yeah, I have a goal. Everything I do, it's goal oriented. So you always want to have a goal when you're trading. If you don't have a profit goal, then doing it wrong. Okay? You don't trade Forex anymore. Good morning, Denise. No, I trade futures. We've been trading futures for 2 years now. Alrighty, what happened here? Went to 800. We break this high. I wonder what happens if I throw in. I'm gonna throw in a buy here to see where it goes and put it at break even. There we go. I'm gonna throw in another buy. I'm gonna put it at break even. So instead of getting 400, essentially be 500 on that target of TP1. I'm sorry, 390. So TP1 was going to be 390, but because I just added 5 more contracts, TP1 should be about $500 now instead of 390. So right now, there we go, boom, boom, we're up 400. So that's what I wanted from this trade, at least $400. We're definitely going to surpass that. So see how I added to the trade in profit? There we go, TP1 smash. There we go, chat. There we go. Let's get some W's in the chat. I would like to see 848. We're in the 20s right now. I'd like this to go to the 40s, and this would be a grand old trade. We can get to the 40s. We're up $700. If we can get to 848, we can make 1,000 on this trade, chat. Can we do it? Let's pump it up. Come on. Frauds who get rich off the internet. Follow someone who's been doing this shit. Been doing it. Follow someone who's been calling out live trades with zero clout for years. Calling out live trades with zero clout, zero pay from live streams, zero nothing. Just calling them out. Follow the real people. We enjoy ourselves. I love doing this with you guys. I love trading with you guys. You know, it's fun. It's enjoyable. It's nice to teach. It's nice to show it live, you know. We love this stuff. We do this without the money. We love it. We love it. And I appreciate you guys in the chat there. Let's see if we can get up to the 40s. We hit TP. That's all I wanted. Slightly below it, should be at the 50s here. Right now we're just overachieving. We hit the target. Added to this just to see if we can make a little bit more money on it. Going pretty good. I'm gonna trail it under this wick here. Why not? I'm happy with this trade. Very, very happy with this trade. No matter what happens here, we have overachieved our goal. That's what I'm talking about. Overachievers, chat. We're overachievers sometimes. Was only going for $390 and we're up $600 and something. So look at that, just capitalizing on it, right? Getting double what we were supposed to get. 740, I love to see it. We're in the 30s. Can we get to the 40s? We're at 33. I wanted to see the 40s here. 33. Can we see 35? Can we see 35? 33 is struggling to hold that. 32. Uh-oh, going the wrong way. We're going the wrong way, Nasdaq. We are going the wrong way. 33, there we go. Can I get a 34? 32. You're hurting us. Come on. 33 and a half is crazy. That's a troll. That is a troll. 33 and a half. Market makers are watching, chat. 33 and a half. What is that? 33 and a half is crazy. I'm not gonna lie. Crazy. Now we're back at 33. 34, there we go. 34, 34, 34 and a half. Can we see 35? Oh, what a troll. What a troll.
What was the reason? What was the reason?
There we go, chat. W trade, though. W trade. We got double the target. Alright. That's the trade there. That's the trade. So what did we learn today? Sometimes if you don't get it the first time, you may get it the fourth time, eh? That's all good. Alright, let's check out today's P&L. Oh, can I drag it up here? Okay. All right, 625. 5 trades, yeah, because that was our 5th trade today. 625 today, chat. 625. All right, you seeing it? Micros only. Thanks for the W's, y'all. W patience, yeah, W patience. Hope everybody that's watching the stream is learning patience. I really hope you guys are learning patience. That's what I want you to get. And believe it or not, you can learn patience from watching somebody trade. It actually just naturally teaches you patience. It teaches your brain patience unconsciously. So that's the cool thing about watching someone live trading is even though you're watching and you may be confused sometimes, but you're still gaining that mindset. You're gaining it slowly, but you're still gaining it, right? Still receiving that mindset energy there to be calm, try to relax, try to wait, right? You're gonna learn more patience as you go. Took 2 losses back to back on gold, going back to sleep. Sorry to hear that, Daniel. Have a good sleep. I've been learning a lot here. Let's go, heroic. Go, let's go. I love to hear it. Even when you get hyped, it's still calm. Thanks, SK. Oh, you little shit. Look at this.
What was the reason? What was the reason?
Now you want to go to the 40s.
I just explained the reason.
Now you want to go to the 40s. Oh, now you want to go to the 40s. But you couldn't go to the 40s like 70 seconds ago? Literally 70 seconds ago, you couldn't just go to the 40s. But now we want to get to the 50s. Like it was nothing. Oh yeah, now we want to get to the 50s. Okay. Okay, I see. That's what we got going on, Nas. That's how you do us? I thought we had a good relationship going on, Nas. What's going on? I thought we were good. I thought we were good, chat. What happened? It's crazy. It's crazy. It's blasphemy. Well, what was the analysis this morning, y'all? The 4-hour candle to do what? Come up and close above the imbalance, right? And as you see, looks like we're going to be doing that today. So we had a plan, we followed it, we stayed open-minded just in case. As you can see, price did initially go up, we came back down, and then it went up again. So remember, it's not about the direction, but it is about the timing. So you can be right about the direction, but you need to be patient, and you need to understand that sometimes you may not do it in this hour, it may do it in the next hour. This is why you want to have a strategy that you're following. When you see your setup, you execute it. If you don't see your setup, that's okay. Just wait. And the market gives you another chance. That's why I like Nasdaq, because you do typically get multiple chances. Also, if you lose your first trade, probably going to have another setup in another hour or two, right? Well, maybe 2 hours. The way this has been moving, right? So don't think that losing a trade is the end of the day. Okay, it's not the end of the day. It's not the end all be all. Don't think that break even all day is the end of the day, right? We got break even all day until now. No shade, but I saw almost every live streamer yesterday post a red day yesterday. So a lot of people say they blew up their funded accounts, and that is tough. But once again, you're watching people who blow up accounts. I'm the only one up here that doesn't blow up accounts. You see me showing you realistic risk management so that you're able to maintain the same great habits as well. No shade to anybody, but I'm just saying, risk management is key, is what I'm trying to say. You know, so watch who you follow. It's your choice. But remember, if you want to do what someone else is doing, then you know, pay attention to who you follow. That's all. Pay attention to who you follow. All right. It is a bit of a choppy day. That was the move. So for me, I'm done trading today because that was the move. I think I may go to the gym a little earlier today. Yeah, I think I'll go to the gym now. If anybody has any questions, we'll answer your questions to the gym. So if you guys have questions, go ahead and ask me in the chat. If you want to join the Discord, don't forget to join. It is free. Get this off. Let's see. Any questions? Can you explain how you split 5 lots, 3 on TP1 and 2 on TP2? Oh, I forgot to. So when you buy again, you just click the buy button. You can. So watch my mouse right here. See my mouse? You can come up here and you can change your risk anytime. So when I added to the position, I just clicked buy again. I doubled up on the position, but I forgot to add to the stop loss. So the stop loss I had was only enough for half of the trade. So let's say I put this here, right? So let's say I'm in a trade and I put a stop loss here, right? When you add to a trade, you got to remember to click and add your stop loss in to add to that amount. But I didn't have the full amount here to close out. Does that make sense? I didn't have the full amount. If I had the full amount when I was trailing this, then the whole thing would have closed out. But I forgot to do that because we were talking. Okay. Let me know if that makes sense. Type stop losses are killing me, but your trading style is helping. Yeah, so tight stop losses were killing me as well this year. I've had a lot of losses this year just from tight stop losses, which are really, really annoying. So yeah, so you want to go back and research those trades and see, okay, What stop loss would have worked here? Because clearly you gotta get a little bigger on your stop losses, right? I had to too. It's really frustrating and annoying, but as you can see, it gets the W done, right? Discord link has expired. It's been glitching a little bit. Let me give you a custom link here. Oh my god, I forgot to screenshot that trade too, chat. Damn trades. Y'all gotta remind me. Because every time I screenshot it after, it comes out so blurry. It's so annoying. Let me get you an invite. Alright, if the invite isn't working for you guys, I'm gonna give you this link right here in the chat. You should see it in the next 2 seconds. Nayaz, hello, what's up, what's up? So yes, y'all, speaking of my mistake today, which works out in my favor because I'm watching my trades, but make sure when you add to your positions that you add that stop loss. When you add to your stop loss, you gotta add the same amount to your stop loss too. Because as you can see, it only closed out half of my trade. I continually close out the second half. Because my trailing stop, I didn't have the full amount of lots on. I had half of it. So just make sure when you click and add, you do add the stop. I usually do it on autopilot, but we were talking with you guys. Look at this in the Discord. Y'all are so funny. Lewis posted this trade, and you can see it's 21 lots. I don't know if you guys can see that. And Dave said, damn. Where's that? Dave said, damn, 15s? 15 lots. But I mean, he had a very small stop loss here. He had like a right now. He had like a 13-point stop loss. So he had like a really tiny stop loss here. But yeah, it makes sense. And he's on the micros, so he's only doing 21 a point. But yeah, he was only risking 261. What a day! What's up, John? Yeah, chat. I will be posting another new trading bite today. So trading bite number 1 will be released this afternoon. I type up these articles for you every day in the Discord. It's free education. Remember, at the bottom you can always click and go back to the previous one. It'll take you to the previous one. Top reasons why prop traders fail, the reason and the solution to it, so you guys can fix that, right? So again, I type these up for you. Sometimes they're short, sometimes they're long, but it's great information. You guys have been enjoying it, and I've been enjoying typing them up for you. So that's free in the Discord every day, Monday through Friday. You'll see it there. If you click on announcements, I will always post today's stream summary. Okay, remember, Take Profit Trader has extended that sale till Sunday. Really great deal here this summer. Alrighty, take advantage. Take advantage, because I don't know the next time you're gonna get that type of deal, to be honest. Let's see, anything else, chat? We vibing here? I do have like 30 minutes. So let me know. Is there anything else I can help everybody else with today? Let's see, can we hit that? Let's see if we can hit that like goal. Can we hit that like goal? Is it possible for us to hit that like goal? We're kind of close. We need 15 more people. 15 more people. Let's see if we can hit that like goal, chat. I think we can do it. I can do it. By the way, I really do want to thank you guys. The watch time has flew up The viewership flew up. The amount of time you guys stay on stream flew up. All those times. Those who used to stay for a short period of time stay a lot longer now. So just thank you guys. I really do appreciate that. Truly appreciate your time. You guys are spiking these numbers up. Spiking it up. Yeah, we got 7 minutes till we hit 3 hours. Let's play chess. That 10-second arena was killing me though. I don't want to crash out. Because we were slowly getting there. Let's play a tournament. My internet just go out? What just happened there? Just happened there. Okay. Let's do bullet tournament. This one just started 10 minutes ago. We're a little late, but let's just do it. It's only 20 minutes left to this tournament. Probably a bad play. That timer is timing. That timer is timing. It's timing. We won on time. Well deserved, appreciate you. Thanks, SK. TNT, what's up? He said checkmate. I want to try to be in the top 10 in this tournament, even though I joined help. But you can see the tournament time right up there, chat. 15 minutes. Move it or lose it. Take it. Yeah. Yeah, what happened? What happened? GG's. I respect the resign. I respect the resign. I gotta respect that. Thank you. here. Check. The back kind of opens up this. I want this coming down. Oh, no, no, no. Free piece, free piece, free piece. You can take this. Go here for check. And this is in my way. And no! Couldn't think. I couldn't think. Nasdaq all time high. What? What was that? Congrats. Bishop. Thank you. Boom. Boom. Queen. Back it up. Thank you. Here. Here. Checkmate. Ooh, we got a checkmate. We got a checkmate. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. 14 minutes left in this tournament. We're number 71. Holy. Did not see that with them. Gotta punish these people taking out their queen sword. Go here. Push forward then. Shit. You want me to push forward? Do you really want me to push forward? Think about it. Push it back. Move back. Move back. This is such a boring game. Like, what are we doing? Playing the two-step? Literally playing the two-step. Okay. Get him out of here. Get him out of here. Let's get that knight up out of here. You. Get him gone. A good center. A decent center. It would have been a fork here. Good thing I won, because that was a bad move. 9 minutes left on the tournament. All my pieces open. I gotta play better, chat. I gotta play better. I gotta stop making random moves. Play better. Do you notice these people are all doing the same setup at the same level? They all watch the same YouTube video. Same YouTube video. Calling it a day. Thank you, Saxy. Appreciate you coming through. What? Oh, they're doing pre-moves. I'm like, what the? Get him out of here. Get him out of here. Get him out. What? Crash out. We gotta crash out. We gotta crash out. What just happened? Holy, they decided to crash out. Hi, chilling. Alright, I'm done with this tournament chat. We got a nice W today. The win streak continues. 8x tomorrow. 8x. 8x. Let's keep it pushing. Let's keep it pumping. I mean, yeah, we got break evens, but you know what I mean. You know what I mean? We are on a roll. We're on a roll this month. We're doing awesome this month with the consistency. Let's see if we can hit that like goal, chat. We need 4 more people to click that like button just to hit that like goal. If you could do me a favor, if you didn't already like the stream yet today, go ahead and hit that like button. We only need 4 more people to smash it. Very, very close to that goal. We had an awesome trade this morning. Great analysis. We're in the right direction. We're patient. We waste some time while we're being patient, just waiting for that setup to come around again, execute it again. You know, we used a lot of discipline this morning. Let's see, who's still here in the chat? Who's still here after this whole time? It's been a 3-hour stream. Who stayed here from beginning to end? I'm curious. Okay, let's see. I see something. Who is still here? Been a long stream. Terrence is still here. Pause there. Lizzie, I see you. Kirill, appreciate you, Kirill. Thank you, Javon. I see you. Mulu, what's up, Mulu? Appreciate you. Thanks, Lewis. Thank you, Susan. Thank you so much. Hey, Amber's here. Tony, of course, Tony. Doing roll call. Luminous, thank you so much. Lewis 3000, of course. A1 since day one. Split the focus because I'm at work. Oh, yeah, at work. Gotcha. Appreciate you, Heroic. Appreciate you chilling. Alright, y'all. On that note, I'm gonna head out. I will see you later. I'll post some education in the Discord in a couple hours. I'm gonna head to the gym now. Hope you guys and girls enjoy your day. Thank you so much, y'all. Really, really appreciate your support. Don't forget to smile today. I hope everyone enjoys their day. Alrighty. Have a good one, chat. I'm out.